Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how we can connect data direct from the website, okay, by using link of that data set, or you can say link of the website. Okay, so let's see how to get live data from website. Okay, so for that, first just open any of the website from where you can get your data and just open your PowerBi desktop. Okay, so first let's open website. Okay, so here I am using data.gov, which is the United States government data. Okay, and here we can search any of the data set, name of any data set. So here I am using failed banks. Okay, so it will provide the list of banks which is closed. Okay, so here you need to click on this link, and here you will get, scroll down, you will get the comma separated value file, and here you have web page. Okay, so I want this data, so just right click on this data and just copy this link. Okay, and just open your PowerBi desktop, and here you just click on this get data. Okay, and here you need to search web. Okay, just open this web, click on connect, wait for a second, and here you get the bar where you need to enter your URL. Okay, just click OK, and it simply load your data. Okay, so here you just need to click load data, or you can transform it if you want. Okay, I directly load the data. It will take a few seconds to load the data. So here you can see in this data pen, pen data pen, you will get your data here. Okay, if you want to see your table, just go to this data view, and here you will get all your data. Okay, it contains 586 rows. Okay, so that's how you can connect directly from the website. Do not need to download any data. Okay, when you download your data and just load the data by using CSV file to the PowerBi, that is known as extract connection. Okay, and when you are using or loading your data in PowerBi directly from the link of the website, then it is known as live connection. Okay, the benefit of using live connection is whenever the admin of the website update anything to the data, then it will update it to your report also. Okay, so you do not need to load new data again and again. Whenever there is any updation, it will automatically update it in PowerBi desktop. Okay, so that's how you can use live connection to load your data. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more such videos.